So I'm here with Chris Cognetta. Chris, tell us a bit about yourself.
Hi, nice to see you, Mark. I'm the practice director for TriBridge. I'm currently in charge of the Center of Excellence. I'm responsible for CRM global support and setting standards across our customer experience for TriBridge.
So tell us a bit more about TriBridge.
TriBridge is a professional services firm giving you the expertise for where you're headed. We support the entire Microsoft stack, AX, CRM, NAV, SL, GP, as well as SharePoint, professional services. And if you notice my shirt, Concerto Cloud is our cloud offering for private cloud. TriBridge has been the outstanding partner of the year for the last 4 of 6 years, which is unprecedented in Microsoft history. And we just won ISV of the year for our cloud implementation services.
Yeah, fantastic. So tell me, why do you come along to Convergence?
Convergence is where it's at for Dynamics world. This is the heartbeat. I meet my fellow MVPs, customers, other vendors. It's a great networking opportunity to be able to share the knowledge that I've learned along my career and learn from others.
So as a partner, do you bring customers along to this event, and how many would you have brought along to this one?
Absolutely, Mark. We have about 350 customers attending Convergence this year. All of them are being invited to our customer party that we have on Wednesday. And then we've also introduced some customers from the award ceremony to also come and be on stage with us talking about how our services help their firms.
Yeah, fantastic. So, Chris, you're an MVP. Tell us a bit about that.
So MVP is it's one of my personal things that I absolutely love to do. It's a lot of people don't understand that it takes an additional effort outside your job role, probably 10 to 15 hours a week, to give back to the community. Met a lot of friends, a lot of different verticals, and I truly enjoy helping solve people's problems and let them learn about it. So from an MVP perspective, that allows me to not only be ahead of the latest technology, but work with a great group of people to get those answers. And being one of the 59 is a great honor. It also allows me to work with them, so we have a great networking of group, and we're able to solve those problems together.
So if someone was interested in becoming a Dynamics CRM MVP, what would you suggest they do?
Well, first of all, I would tell them that be careful what you wish for, and second of all, I would tell them that it's not a career choice. You truly need to love what you're going to do there. Meeting with customers, helping people. It might not be any benefit financially for you to do that. Once you start to go down that path, you can start by doing blogs, finding out, taking snapshots of common problems that you fix, answering others' questions on the forum. We all frequent all the forums, Collaborate, CRMUG, Dynamics communities. We focus in those forums, and that's how you get your name out. Eventually, by interacting not only with the community, but other MVPs, you will get noticed and you will be submitted.
Fantastic. So tell us a bit about your specialty area in the Dynamics CRM landscape. What's your passionate area of work?
So passionate about infrastructure, always have been. Cloud networking technologies, ADFS, IFD, how to implement the CRM system, scale it, troubleshooting, performance, pretty much all the inner workings of the CRM platform is what I'm focused on and something that I'm passionate about.
Okay, so obviously new features are coming out with ADFS, etc. What can you tell viewers about that?
So ADFS 3.0 is coming out, obviously with Windows Server 2012 R2 release is right behind. It's not supported today. It will be coming. That flexibility is going to allow us to take more advantage of the cloud services you see for NetBreeze Analytics, Marketing Pilot, Parature integrations are all going to be coming through the IFD gateway for authentication. You also have the SAML XML there that allows you to be integrated with other platforms, so it doesn't have to be ADFS specific. You can work with other identity providers like Ping Federate, etc. I've done a few of those. So I highly recommend making your platform IFD enabled or internet facing deployment so you can take advantage of these new features and concepts as they hit the market.
Cool. And this morning there was mention about the Unified Service Desk. What's your thoughts on that?
Absolutely love it. Being that we run the support team, the challenges that the help desk software is going to help us resolve are amazing. The built-in SLA capabilities, instant knowledge base as you type, cloud-based service, get to it anywhere. Being a Florida-based company, hurricanes is an issue, so being in the cloud, it's a great way for us to have our customer service focus on that. And then the integration with CRM, the portal capabilities available, I see nothing but the ups for that and really helping us achieve our customer experience.
Excellent. Thanks, Chris. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Thanks, Mark. Appreciate everything and look forward to seeing you at future convergences.
Cheers.